Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Givio Iqbalut Huda. I am 27 years old and I work as a network associate. So today I will make a presentation as a mid-semester exam assignment for an English course with the theme Job and Responsibilities Network Engineer. Okay, before I start, I will explain my reason for choosing the theme. The reason I will present this theme is because it is very related to my current profession. So why did I choose this theme? Because I have worked as a network engineer for 7 years. I want to share a little about what the responsibilities of a network engineer are, daily life at work, what skills does a network engineer need, ways to improve your career path in this field, and what challenge network engineers will face in the future. Okay, so what is network engineer? Network engineer is, by definition, is a technology professional responsible for designing, implementing, maintaining, and supporting computer networks that support voice, data, video, and wireless network service within an organization. And the objective is to ensure seamless communication and efficient data transfers across organizational networks. Network engineers form the backbone of organization IT infrastructure. Their work revolves around ensuring that the intricate web of network supports all forms of digital communication, from voice calls to data transfer and video streams. Their expertise ensure efficiency and reliability, with digital transformation accelerating across industries. Their role is becoming increasingly critical. Okay, next, the daily task. The next is the daily life of network engineer. Following are the daily tasks usually carried out by network engineers. Uh, first, uh, First daily task is managing network hardware and software to oversee and optimize the performance of networking devices. And then collaborating with IT teams. Work with cross-functional teams to resolve technical issues and optimize the system. And then monitoring network traffic, track performance metrics to ensure smooth operation and identify issues. And documenting configuration, maintain records of network setups, and change for future references. Learning new technologies, stay updated with trends and advancement in networking technologies. Every day is dynamic for a network engineer, for sure. Their tasks blend technical precision with collaboration and learning, from managing complex hardware systems to documenting changes and exploring new innovation. They maintain a pulse of network performance and industry trends. So here the key responsibilities for network engineer. First is network design and planning, analyze business requirements to design scalable and secure network solution, plan for network expansion or upgrades. And then implementation and configuration. Configure network devices such as routers, switches, and firewalls. Install and deploy hardware and software. Then network monitoring and maintenance. Monitor network performance and troubleshoot issues. Perform routine maintenance and updates. Then security management to implement security measures to protect networks from cyber threats, respond to and mitigate security incidents. So here the required skills for network engineers. Uh, of course, the engineering must have technical skills like, especially in this case, proficiency in networking protocols. Here are the networking protocols: TCP/IP, DNS, DHCP, etc. Experience with network hardware and knowledge of security tools. And second is soft skills: strong problem-solving abilities, effective communication, and adaptability in dynamic environments. And then time management: prioritize task efficiency to meet deadlines and maintain system. A strong foundation in both technical and soft skill defines a successful network engineer. Technical pro Technical prowess includes mastery of protocols and devices, while soft skills ensure clear communication and efficient task management. Together, this skill empower engineers to navigate complex network with precision. Okay, certification. Uh, Here are example certification for network engineer. First is CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, foundational certification covering core networking concept and Cisco devices. And then CompTIA Network Plus, vendor neutral certification, validating networking fundamentals and troubleshooting. Uh, and here we have Juniper Networks Certified Internet Associate, specialized certification for Juniper Networks devices, like hardware and software. And then Certified Information System Security Professional. This is professional certificate, uh, high level certificate, of course. Advanced certification focusing on cybersecurity strategies. Uh, why do we need the certification? Because if we want to have a career in the IT world, certification is one of the things we must achieve. Having many certification will of course open up opportunities for higher career paths. For your information, all these certificates I mentioned early is globally recognized. Okay, certification are a cornerstone for network engineers, showcasing expertise and commitment. Industry recognize the certification like CCNA or CISSP open doors to delivers roles while validating knowledge. in core networking and security principles. Okay, and then career path. Here the career path for network engineers is entry level roles. First, we have network technician, junior network engineer, gaining foundation skill and understanding network operation. And then we have mid-level roles, network engineer, like uh, my recently profession, network engineer, and then network administrator, handling complex tasks and managing network system. And then we have senior level roles, senior network engineer, network architect. So the task is designing network strategies and leading initiatives. Uh, a career in network engineering progressed through distinct phases, starting from hands-on technician roles to strategy-oriented architect position. The field offers growth and opportunities to specialize engineers. Engineers can tailor their paths towards leadership or technical expertise. Okay, we have challenges. What is the challenges for network engineer? First is managing complex networks, balancing performance and scalability in large systems, and then keeping up with advancement, adapting to rapid technology changes and new tools, ensuring 24 per 7 availability, maintaining high uptime and reliability standards, and then cybersecurity threats, mitigating risk from ever-evolving threats. So, as a network engineer, so we must always learn to refresh knowledge and keep update about technology. Sometimes, yeah, we have always to be ready to be called out early in the morning because, yeah, trouble knows no time. Uh, and then network engineers comes with its own set of challenges. Engineers need to navigate the intricacies of large-scale networks like wide area network, etc., while staying ahead in a evolving tech landscape. And then ensuring system availability and cybersecurity requires a proactive and adaptive approach. Okay, we have conclusion. Now we arrive at conclusion. Summary is network engineers play a critical role in ensuring robust and security communication system within organization and have the business impact in their expertise support operation and drive digital transformation. Network engineers are integral to modern organization, connecting people and systems seamlessly. Their contributions are not limited to solving the technical problems, but extend to driving innovation and enabling digital evolution. As business continue to rely on technology, the role of network engineer will remain pivotal or vital. Okay, maybe that's enough from me. Thank you for listening my presentation. Sorry when there are still many shortcomings or mistakes from this presentation. My name is Givio. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.